Hello, my name is Alexey. In the previous video tutorial, we create responsive multi-language online store from scratch and upload it to the hosting. In my blog, there are free video lessons about different objects for website X5. For example, you can find out about additional gallery and image objects. In this video tutorial, we will work with buttons: download button, hover button, and animated button object. All these objects you can find here on Marketplace. All of these objects are paid objects. Let's see how to work with them. Start with download button. Just place the object after you push it. You can attach some file, for example, PDF. You can change a label. You can change start number. Let's change background color. Here we can change options for this part. And now I can download this file. The count works. So if you want to create animated download button, you can use this object. You can get rid of this part and leave just a button. Now let's work with hover button. There are much more options. Here we can use not just a download file, but we can use any action, for example, visit some web page or download a file. We can change the text. We can see some preview here. We can change colors for this state of button and the state of button when the mouse over. Here are options for mouse over, and here are options for normal style. Let's set image. For example, like this, without background, without border. Here we can set another image, also without background and without border. Here is our button. We can click and see our PDF in the window. If user have special program on his computer, he will see this window if it is PDF file, and if he doesn't have such program, he will just download it. If you want to remove image, just click here and press delete button. Also here you can set image right here. Left Alright, real size will be bad. So let's move to another object. This is animated button. Now let's set background image. And change effect. Let's leave it like this. And like this. In the following video tutorials, we will look at other additional objects.